we want to find the solution to the differential equation dy dx equals cos x, given that y equals 2 when x equals 0, and giving the answer in the form y equals f of x. So we start with the equation dy dx is equal to cos x. This is a separable equation. Dx can be taken to this side. So we have dy is cos x times dx, and once separated we have to put integral signs around. If we integrate 1 dy, we just get y. Integrating cos x gives us sin x plus a constant. This is a general solution to dy dx equals cos x, but we have information enable us to work out a specific solution. So we now use y equals 2 when x equals 0. That gives us that 2 equals the sine of 0 plus a constant. Sine of 0 is 0, so c is equal to 2. So our solution is y equals sin x plus 2.